Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing and show you guys what I picked out in my fall Fabfitfun box. How cute. I love seeing the different designs they do for each season. If you guys are new to this is a seasonal subscription box. It is more of a lifestyle theme, so you can get a bunch of different categories. It's not just beauty stuff. You get fashion, there's like accessories, jewelry, home stuff. It's really nice and it's for $49.99, and I do work with Fabfitfun on this video. They are sponsoring it today, which has me so excited. But you guys know I love this service. I've been doing videos of their boxes for a long time now, since they basically started. I think I got the very first box they ever did, and I think it's so much fun. So this one you only get charged 4 times a year every season, $49.99, and you get over $200 worth of product. If this is something you guys would like to try for your first time, I do have a $10 off code to make your box $39 instead of $49 with the code LEAHJANAE, which makes it an even better deal. So these videos for me, I like to make them a little bit more informational for those of you who are thinking about trying this out. I like to show you what I picked out, and then there's other categories that you guys could receive some different products, so I like to go over all of those as well, since with Fabfitfun you do get to pick some of your items from like usually 5 or 6 different items. So let's go ahead and open this box. Alright, so the very first item, this is one that I picked. All members could choose something from this category, and I got this cute little basket. This is from the brand Mia Melange. It's a foldable cotton basket. It retails for $60. There was tons of good options in this category, a couple purses and stuff, but I thought this would be nice for my house because I kind of just want to put this in the living room or either in my office space and just store some things in it. Like for me, I'm thinking about putting different cat toys in here because right now my cat's toys are literally in a shopping bag. It's not the cutest, so this little thing would be perfect for that, but it would also look really good in my office space since we have like a black cool tone theme over there. We'll see what I do with it, but I thought this would be really handy. Definitely something that I will use. And there was quite a few other options in this category. You could choose that basket. You could also choose a couple bags from the brand Boatkier. They have a New York Bond tote. It literally retails for $128, which is crazy, but it looks like it'll hold so much stuff. It reminds me of the Longchamp bags. Also, there's a backpack from Boatkier. It's the Trigger backpack. Also, for the beauty lovers, we have the Foxy Bay 25mm curling wand. I love Foxy Bay products. I have so many curling ones, so I really did not need this at all, but this is a good one. Also, the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and Huge Mascara Bundle. I have tried both of those products. Again, very good from Stila if you guys want some different makeup. Also from Uncommon James, there's a set of 2 copper canisters, which would be cute for storage, maybe in, you can put this anywhere, bedroom, bathroom, or kitchen. Also the Shashawan styling cream and finish cream for the hair, and then the last item was the basket. So those are the first options. The second category, I'll show you guys what I picked out. So I actually picked this hair removal device. This is from the brand Glossmetics, and it retails for $59.99, and it says instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of the body. I really wasn't sure what this was gonna be, but it basically looks like kind of a men's razor. Basically this is like a smaller version, so I feel like this would be nice if you accidentally miss a spot shaving or you just want to quick do a touch-up. I mean, I think you could probably use this on the face as well. I have been using those little face razors to shave my face like once a month, and I've been loving how my skin looks. It just makes it so smooth. So I've been doing that. I don't know if those little small ones are better for that or if this would work. I mean, you probably could use it for like your lip or something, but yeah, I thought I would get some use out of that, so that's the option that I picked out. The other options in that category, you could choose between that, the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. There's the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, which is fairly new from Dr. Dennis Gross. Also the Soya and Kayo Woven Scarfigan with Fringe, which is a scarf cardigan crossover. It's a really pretty pale pink, it looks like. There's the Evolution Beauty Celery Green Cream. I personally have not heard of this brand. You guys will have to let me know if you guys have tried them. And then the last option is also another skincare product, the Erna Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, which I've received in a previous box before. So those are the second options. Let's go into the third product. So I picked out a necklace, which looks so beautiful. This one is from the brand Jenny Bird. It's called the Liana Pendant, and it's $115 value, which is crazy, but it's a really pretty silver. I picked this because I don't really have any just like nice necklaces. I'm really not a jewelry person, but I feel like sometimes I just need that extra if I'm dressing up for something, and this would be really nice since it has the kind of layered look and then this silver pendant at the bottom. I think it's beautiful. There's also a couple more options that you could choose from. Also from the same brand, Jenny Bird, they have a Austin cuff, which looks like one of those chain link kind of designs that retails for $135, which is nuts. Also the Vitamask multivitamin mask set if you want some sheet masks. There's the Nectar sunglasses, which are blue light blocking. They're in a brown tortoise color. They're super cute. And the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette, which is a really good neutral palette from Beauty Bakery. I love their brand. Everything is bakery themed and it's so cute. I've gotten that in a previous box. This next item I picked out, this one is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. To be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of any of the products in this category. This category only certain members could pick, so if you guys have the year subscription, you guys get to customize even more if you sign up for a year ahead of time. But yeah, I picked the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Basically, it just sets your brows in place, but I wasn't a huge fan of the other options. We have the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene. It's in a turquoise color. Or the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This is a skincare brand. I do think they still sell their stuff at Ulta. And the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. I've noticed a lot of pumpkin stuff in this box, which is cool since it is a fall box. And then the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. So those were the options in that category for select members. Another select category, I picked out these little hair clips, which are adorable. They're from the brand 8 Other Reasons, and I feel like hair clips have been so popular lately. I love them just to throw in. I usually just pin my bangs back, and it looks so cute. You can mix and match with your outfit, and these look like little gemstones. I love the colors of these clips. So these are retailing for $32 for the trio. The other options in this category is the HIP Cutlery Set, which is kind of cute. It's like a spoon, a spork it looks like, and a knife set. There's also the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. The Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Ayurvedic Hair Oil. And then the Harper & Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in the Juice Cleanse scent. So the next items I'm going to show are ones that Fabfitfun will pick for you. There is still categories, so I'll still go over all the options, but I'm going to share what they picked out for me. So I'm really excited about this. This is from the Laundress. It's the Crease Release, like it just says classic, but basically it's just going to help get rid of creases in your laundry, which I really need because sometimes my clothes in the dryer sit there for a few days. I hate doing laundry. I mean, I hate putting it away. That's the worst part. And then, yeah, my stuff gets a little bit wrinkly, and sometimes I'm in a hurry. I have a wrinkle in my shirt. I don't have time to steam it. So I feel like this is going to be awesome if it really does work. This retails for $16. I'm really excited about this. The other options that they could have sent is the Voesh New York Pedicure in a Box. It's in the pumpkin spice scent, which looks really nice. It's not like nail polish, it's just these little like salt soaks, basically like your pre-pedicure before putting the polish on. And then the Spongel Boxed Flower in Sweet Cedarwood, which, oh yeah, that's one of their like body wash sponges. It's like an all-in-one kind of thing. The next product they picked out for me, this is by Hythe. It's the Tranquility Sleep Mist. I'm not a huge fan of these. I always get them in subscription boxes and I never use them. I don't have, like when I want to go to bed, I just want to go to bed. I don't think about spraying this, but I guess if you're having a hard time falling asleep, it could be nice. This one, it retails for $22. It says it has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water to create a tranquil sleep. The other options you could get is the Stone Candles Room Spray in the Pumpkin Spice scent, which would have been cool. or the Santal Noir scent. This one I wish I got, the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Hair Mask. I love NatureLab's products. They make some great hair care, and I've tried their mask in a mini size before and I really loved it. You can't go wrong with hair masks. I can never have enough. I'm always using them, even instead of just conditioner, since I try to wash my hair like every few days. And then the last product I got, I'm actually pretty excited about this one. I usually always get like weird scents in my subscription boxes that I don't like, but I do really like this one. This is by Beauty Papier. It's called Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel, and this is super bougie. It literally retails for $30. I mean, it does look like a really nice packaging and everything. The notes are pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. It smells expensive as well. I do get the pumpkin and orange notes in it. It's really nice, and it says it has a ton of antioxidants in it to leave your skin feeling super energized. So I'm very excited to try that. It's definitely like the most expensive shower gel I've ever had. And then the other options there was the Ziji and Maraz pouch with stripe, and the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date. So that's pretty much all of the products I got and all of the options, so you guys can see if it is something you are interested in signing up for. They have some pretty good stuff this year, and I feel like it was definitely well themed. Like there was like a lot of pumpkin stuff, some scarves in there. It definitely felt like fall, and I'm really happy with what I picked out. There is a couple things I don't see myself using, like the room spray or the brow gel, but I could probably just put those in a giveaway. I still feel like the $50 would be a pretty good price for this. So I'm super curious to see what you guys got in your box. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.